Today I'm going to be reviewing FiveStar's antenna. I'd like to thank FiveStar for sending this to me to review. I'm going to open the box, see what's in there, and then I'm actually going to set this up just on my porch to see how well it does, not at a high elevation, but you can put this in your attic, you can put it on fences, on your roof, all different places. The higher up you go, the more you're going to get. Let's go ahead and see what's in the box and get this started. All right, here we go. All the brackets that you're going to need to set this up. You do get instructions right there. All the different pieces. I'm going to set this up and then I'm going to figure out how to get this connected to my TV upstairs so we can see how many channels we got. So stay tuned. All right, here is the FiveStar antenna. I literally just jerry-rigged it. I put it on a pole right there. It's actually facing the right direction. I just used an app to find out where the satellites were. You're going to want to push these up all the way. This is a temporary installment. Push those up all the way and there's like a little loop there. You crimp it, but you want to go all the way in there so you don't get any water. Same down there. It's obviously very large, as you can see there, but I wanted to see if I could get this from inside the porch, and FiveStar said that it should work, and holy cow, everyone, it does work. Not too many issues hooking it up. They have a video. Just make sure when you're installing this piece right here that the two holes are facing up here for this to screw into. I had that wrong. Let's go look at the TV and see how many channels we got. All right, so I'm going to scan all the channels on the TV. I disconnected the internet to make sure that's all we get. Let's fast forward through this and then let's talk on the other side. All right, ignore the TV Plus. That is just Samsung TV. It's not even hooked up to the internet, so I'm not sure. But this got 76 channels, and they look really good. I'm going to show you some of the channels here. I'm going to have to fast forward just so I don't get any copyright issues. But 76 channels. Most of them are perfect. Some of the QVCs didn't come in perfectly, but the main channels with the sports, everything look spectacular. 4K HD. Some of the more auxiliary channels maybe didn't come as good, but remember, I'm not even mounted on my roof. So this looks really good. And I'm also filming this from my phone, so it may not look as good. I can't explain how amazing this really is. It blew my mind. I honestly did not think it would work, even though it's big and everything. So I think FiveStar does a great job. I think this could be a great addition if you want to get free TV, free HDTV, or imagine the internet going out. What are you going to do? This is an Amazon choice. 4.2 stars. I like to see 4.4, but maybe it was just putting it together. It does up to 4 TVs. And last month, November 2025, 400 plus of these were bought. I hope this review helps, and I'll see you next time.